So this is the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. So here it is guys, the P30 in Aurora and the P30 Pro in Breathing Crystal. Beside these amazing colors, there are a few more available, including Amber Sunrise, which I really love. The P30 series aims to revolutionize mobile photography and videography, and this is exactly what I was waiting for. So let's open up the box and let's have a closer look. Inside the box we find a Huawei 40W supercharger for the P30 Pro, and the regular P30 comes with a 22.5W supercharger. The USB cable for quick charging is marked with a purple line, so you know that it is compatible. Last but not least, Huawei includes a Type-C headset for the P30 Pro, because there is no headphone jack on the Pro version, but there is one on the regular P30. Now let's check out these amazing colors. Huawei did another great job to provide some beautiful looking back covers. There we can also find the new P30 Pro Leica quad camera, which includes a 40MP 27mm f1.6 main camera, an 8MP 5x zoom f3.4 camera, a 20MP ultra-wide 60mm f2.2 camera, and the brand new TOF, also called time of flight lens. The normal P30 has a similar setup to the Mate 20 Pro, with no TOF camera, 8MP 3x zoom and 16MP ultra-wide. But both feature the new RYYB sensor instead of RGB for more light sensitivity, detail, color and a crazy ISO up to 409,600. This is really crazy and makes you be able to see in the dark. But I didn't tell you about Huawei's greatest feature so far. A 10x hybrid lossless zoom, which is combining the 5x optical zoom and the crop on image sensor, and a up to 50x digital zoom that looks fairly impressive. Smartphone videography is also being changed with AIS and OIS and improved low light video. The only downside so far is that there is no 4K 60, as the Kirin 980 isn't capable of that. Both devices feature an OLED screen ranging from 6.1 inch to curved 6.47 inches on the Pro, both with Full HD Plus resolution and a teardrop notch, which is housing the massive 32MP f2.0 front camera, and also on the front there's an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The P30 Pro comes with an IR blaster at the top and a Type-C port, SIM tray and speaker at the bottom. The regular P30 is lacking the IR blaster, but comes with almost the same setup at the bottom, including a 3.5mm headphone jack. This time the speaker has not been integrated into the charging port, but the P30 Pro is using acoustic vibration display technology, so that there is no earpiece on the Pro version. Battery wise, we have a 4200mAh battery inside of the Pro, and a 3650mAh battery inside of the regular P30, which is a small upgrade over the last year's model. Wireless reverse charging is again included, but only on the Pro version. Both feature the 7nm Kirin 980 SoC, like the Mate 20 Pro, which is capable of good performance and AI processing for the camera like AIS stabilization. The P30 has an IP53 protection, and the P30 Pro comes with an IP68 protection. Also, Huawei's NM cards can be used to expand the internal storage, which ranges from 128GB on the P30 up to massive 512GB on the P30 Pro. RAM options are available in 6GB and 8GB on the Pro. Also, Huawei has released a new version of their Watch GT, which features new details, colors and some new features. You can get it as a gift if you pre-order the P30. So go and check it out, links down below. Now big thanks for watching this cinematic unboxing. I really hope that you liked it, and for some look behind the scenes, make sure to follow me on Instagram, where we can also talk directly about the phone. Also you can shoot me some video ideas and I'll try to include them in the next weeks. So big thanks for watching this video. I'm Steven from Tech Magnet and I'll catch you in the next one very soon.